Hey guys, this is Jim K from Stairway to Video. Today we've got a Ford F-150. It's a 2006 Ford F-150. It seems to have an issue with the power seat on the driver's side. So we're going to see if we can fix it. Take a look. This guy is not working at all. No memory, set 1 and 2. This doesn't seem to be working at all. So we think we might know what the problem is. We're going to go on the other side and take a look. Also, the rear view mirrors do not work on both sides. So there's our rear view mirror on the outside there. They don't seem to be working one bit. So that is I think that's tied in with the wiring on the right side. So let's take a look. Warning: before you start any project on your car or truck, be sure to disconnect your battery before you start working on it so you won't get a shock. Battery voltage can shock or kill you, so be sure to disconnect your battery before starting any repair on your motor vehicle. So like I said, this is a 2006 Ford F-150 Lariat that we're working on today. As you can see, this is the passenger side. That seems to be working fine, back and forth, no problem. But I think the issue is down in here where the wiring is, so let's take a look. Okay, the way to get into this area is you have to take this little fuse box on for your right leg here. I'll show you how to take it off. The cover's got to come off, and then you take this housing off right here, and then this plate has to be loosened so you can get that housing off. And I'll show you here in a second. There's the fuse box cover. You just reach in here, pull it out, pull it back. That's out. You lift that up a little bit here, right here. It's got a grommet there that pinches right in there. You lift it up, take this panel off right here. So there's a little grommet right up here. You pry it out as far as you can get it with one of these guys. And then you take a pair of pliers and you pull it the rest of the way so you can get this thing off right here. There, it's off. And then this panel is held on by a couple of clips back here. See them back there? Right there. So you got to pry those out, then the whole thing comes right off. Now we get into this area where I think we probably have the problem. So there's the wiring harness. We're going to go inside of there and see if there's a problem with the wiring. There should be some wires in here that are disconnected. Anyway, obviously this one's been worked on before because here's a bare wire just sticking out there. I'm going to put a wire nut on it so that it doesn't touch anything. And then there's this red wire coming out of the fuse box that somebody must have wired directly in there at one time. Okay, after pulling this wire bundle apart, I think I found the problem. Here it is right here. See how this is all corroded and kind of green? I don't know if you can see it very good. But this wire right here, that wire right there, attaches to these two down here, and it's all rotted. So see the green? I just wanted to let you know that the wires I'm talking about have that black connector on the end of them, so they are orange with a green stripe. So if you look at the bottom and at the top, they're orange with a green stripe. Those are the ones that are rotted. So you just need to cut those back and strip them and then attach the 3 wires. So you've got 2 on the bottom, 1 at the top. Attach those 3 wires together with solder or another way. The green residue from it rotting up in there. Anyway, I'm going to take those apart, re-strip it and attach it, and hopefully that seat and rear view mirrors will work again. I don't know if I've got that focused really good. Then it's better. So this wire comes down and attaches to this wire. There's a little bit better view of it. Okay, that's what it looks like all soldered. Solder joint down there. one up there. I had to add a little piece of wire to those to extend them, but they're all soldered. Now I'll cover them up, put shrink tubing over them, and they should be all set. Let's go and see if it worked. Let's test it out and see if that worked. Looks like that did it. Let's check the rear view mirror. Down here, press it. Now let's try the pedal adjuster. Press the button up here. This guy right here. Looks like that did the job. So hopefully that helps you guys work on your vehicle to see if you've got a rotted pair of wires. And there it is, all soldered and shrink wrapped. You can see the red wire where I soldered and shrink wrapped both those ends. And there it is, all buttoned back up, wired up and soldered and done. And that's just one way you can fix a 2006 Ford F-150 where your electric seat doesn't work. Anyway, hope that helped. Have a good day.